Life-Saving Award, Officers David Adair, Christopher Sticken, and Jeremy White. After arriving to a shooting scene, Officer Christopher Sticken found a man losing consciousness because of massive blood loss. Officers Sticken, David Adair, and Jeremy White all were called to a shooting at 3614 Norton Avenue on August 23, 2015. They found a man lying in the street suffering from multiple gunshot wounds to his upper right leg. Officer Sticken found a belt from a nearby citizen and immediately applied it to the injured leg as a tourniquet to stop the blood loss. Officers Adair and White arrived and began to assist Officer Sticken. Officer Adair grabbed his personal trauma kit and used the tourniquet in place of the one Officer Sticken initially had applied. Officer White applied pressure to the wound. The officer stayed with the victim and continued to provide help until EMS could arrive and take over. Sergeant Matthew Hausch said, "I believe had Officer Sticken, Officer Adair, and Officer White not acted as quickly in assessing the situation and providing the emergency trauma care, the victim would not have survived the injuries he sustained." For their commendable actions in a life-or-death situation, Chief Darrell Forte, along with the Board of Police Commissioners, is pleased to present the Life-Saving Award to Officers David Adair, Christopher Sticken, and Jeremy White.